Hello friends, today we will learn about the comparison and the logical operator. And first we are starting with the Boolean. Boolean is a logical data type which has two values. The first one is true and the second one is the false. So let's check a code. Suppose we have a variable that is result 1 and that one we have assigned as true. We have a second variable that is result 2 and we have assigned the value as false. So if we want the output of the result 1 and result 2, we can use the print function. Let's check the code. What is the output? The first one is giving us the true and the second one is giving us the output as false. Always remember, capitalized the first letter of the true and false word. That means the T must be capital and F must be capital. Now don't write the words true and false in single quote or in the double quote. Otherwise it would be string. Suppose we are using it as single quote. So when we give the output, the result is true, right, but that is giving us the output as string. Next, we are proceeding to the comparison operator. Python has a set of comparison operators to compare the two values. Let's check a code. Suppose we have a variable that is number and we are assigning the value 6 to it. Then we are using the print function like that, number less than 7. Obviously the value 6 has been assigned to the variable number and that 6 is less than 7. So the expression is true. So what we get, that is true. So if we change the assignment to 16 to the variable number, and that is obviously a false expression, so we have the output as false. Now simply printing this Boolean expression has no use. So we can use the if statement which makes sense of the Boolean expression. But this would be discussed on the next video. So here we are focusing on the comparison operators on Python. The list of comparison operators used in Python here. The first one is the less than sign. The second one for greater than. Third one is double equal sign, that is giving us the comparison equal. The exclamation sign and equal sign not equal. Less than equal to is for the less than or equal to, and greater than sign with the equal sign is for the greater than or equal to. Let's check all the comparisons with some codes. Obviously the first one has been less than given. Suppose we are here changing the code like that, greater than 10. That is obviously is a true expression. So what we get? We get the true. If we change the value of the variable number from 16 to 6, now that must be a false expression. So that is false. So that is how we can use the greater than comparison operator in Python. Now suppose we are changing the value from 6 to 10. Obviously 10 is not greater than 10. So that must be a false comparison or false expression. So if we run the code, we are getting the result as false. Next, we are proceeding to the equal operator. That means the double equal sign. So number is equal to 10. So here we are giving equal sign. That must be true because 10 is equal to 10. So that we are getting the result as true. Now comparing a floating point value with the integer value which are same also give us the result as true. So we can check here. We are assigning the variable number with a float value. Let's check the result, and that is also giving us the true. But comparison of string with integer is wrong. So if we change the code once again and giving the assignment string 10 to the variable number, and if we run the code, we are getting false because at that moment the number variable is holding a string value, that is, or string data type, that is 10, but the number string is not equal to the integer value 10. That's why the expression is false. But if we compare it with the not equal to operator, what is the not equal to operator? Now not equal to operator means the exclamation sign and equal sign. So we are here changing the code like that. So if we run the code, that must be true, and that one is true. Next, we are proceeding to the less than equal sign. So that is less than sign and equal sign. So that is giving us less than or equal to. Let's check the code once again. We are giving here less than equal to, and we are assigning the integer value 11 to the variable number. So if we run the code, we are getting false. Why? Now that one is 11 is not less than or equal to 10. Suppose we are changing the value from 10 to 11 in the checking. So here we are getting the result as true because 11 is not less than equal 11 but equal to 11. If we change the code to the greater than equal to, once again the 11 is not greater than 11 but equal to 11. So that must be a true. Next, we will learn about the logical operators. Now Python has 3 logical operators. And for AND, that is true if both the operands are true, or true if either of the operands are true, and not true if the operand is false. Let's check all the logical operators with some coding. First one, suppose we have a variable that is age, and we are giving the variable age with the assignment that is 22, and another variable that is marks, and we are assigning the marks as 38. Result is another variable, and that one is age greater than equal to 18, and now check the logical operator AND is here, and marks is greater than 36, and we are using print function trying to get the output. Now run the code and we are getting true. Why? Now age is 22, that is obviously greater than equal to 18, and marks that is greater than 36, and marks has been assigned as 38. So both the expressions are true. So AND means true if both operands are true. So here both the expressions are true, that's why we have the result as true. Let's clear the cell at first, and once again we are running the code, we are getting the result as true. Now changing the second expression. Suppose at that moment I am changing the expression, that is that one from 36 to 39. So obviously 22 is greater than equal to 18, that is true, and 38 is not greater than 39. So that means that is false. So the result must be false. Let's check. Yes, we are getting the result as false. We are changing the logical operator from AND to OR. Now look at the code, that 22 age is greater than 18, that is true, or marks that is 38 greater than 39, the second one is false, but the first one expression is true. So if either of the operands are true, give us the result as true. So the result must be true here. Once again, now if any one of the expression is true, the result would be true in the case of OR logical operator. Now once again we are changing the code from 39, here the value from 36. So that means here both the expressions are true. 22 is greater than equal to 18, or marks 38 is greater than 36. Here also the result must be true. Once again we are clearing the cell. The final logical operator is NOT, which gives the complement of the result. Let's change the complete code. We have a variable that is result has the Boolean expression as true, and we are using the print function to get the value of the result. Here the Boolean expression, print result. So if we run the code, we are getting true. For the not true if the operand is false. So if we change the code like that, not result. So obviously that is giving the complement of the result. So that must be output with the false. Let's check another code. Suppose we have a variable marks is equal to 38 and result is equal to false, and print marks less than equal to 40. What is happening here? Now we have marks is equal to 38 and that is marks less than equal to 40, that is a true expression. So if we run the code, we are getting the result as true. Once again we are clearing the cell and running the code, that is we are getting true. But at that moment, once again I am changing the code like that, not marks greater than equal to 40. So the first one must be true, the second one must be the complement, that means the false. Run the code and we are getting the first one as true and the second one as false. So that is the comparison and logical operator in Python.